Today, I'm going to show you how to create a paper background in After Effects. The link to the background video and the After Effects project file is in the description below. Now, create a composition and name it. Set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 with a duration of 1 minute. Create two solids and name them as shown in the video. The first solid should be white, and the second one can be any color you like. Head over to the Effects panel, search for Grid, and drag it onto the second solid layer. Change the grid line color and tweak the settings just like in the video. As you can see, the grid doesn't fully cover the screen when we adjust the settings. To fix that, we'll use the offset effect from the Effects panel. Press the shortcut key U to display the settings panel for the offset effect. Add keyframes just like in the video. Now, hold Alt and left-click to open the expression editor. This allows you to create an infinite loop without needing to run the keyframes from start to finish. Type in the exact expression shown in the video. Next, pre-compose these two layers. Make sure to check the options as shown in the video and rename the composition. The grid lines look a bit too thick, so I'll go inside the pre-comp and reduce the values. Double-click this icon to create a shape, make sure no layers are selected beforehand. Adjust the scale setting to make it smaller. Inside the Contents section, look for dashes and click the plus symbol icon. Adjust the settings as shown in the video. Add a keyframe to the offset property. Move the timeline cursor to the end, and adjust the values accordingly. Now we have a safe zone frame for the background, go ahead and rename it. Create a new black solid to start building the vignette effect. Select the solid, then click on the ellipse icon. After inverting the selection and adjusting the mask feather and mask expansion settings, you'll get the shape just like in the video. Next, create an adjustment layer to apply the Gaussian blur effect to the background. Use the ellipse icon and drag from the top left corner to the bottom right of the safe zone area to define the blur region. Adjust the settings as shown. Now create another adjustment layer to add the paper texture effect. Again, tweak the settings as shown in the reference. The BNW section is used to make the background black and white, but if you want to keep the original colors of a safe zone, switch it to RGB. I'll keep it in BNW for this tutorial, but feel free to choose whatever style you prefer. Finally, render the video and save it for future use in your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and a comment to support the channel. Thanks so much for watching.